and it appears that things always change. My greatest fears have all rearranged, and you wouldn't believe it, you wouldn't at all. See, I've been spitting what I feel, release some stress and keep it real. Don't worry, I'm just venting, let the air circulate and then I'm jetting. And I ain't worried what they think, yeah. Life done pushed me to the brink, but I won't sink. So let me captain my own ship, paddling the oceans of life. I'm always open to a fight for myself, so caution to everybody else that think they read me. I'm ready for everyone's opinion, like it, leave it, or forgive me. I believe I only fit me in the grand scheme. Life ain't nothing out of dream, and these tears fall like rain, and it appears that things always change. My greatest fears have all rearranged, and you wouldn't believe it, you wouldn't at all. So I'ma keep kicking raps, speaking what I feel, hoping when you listen you can tell it's real. Cause I don't understand a lot, and there's things I should forgot, but I still get lost inside your eyes. Sometimes I need to fix what I know been broken, 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 broken. Ain't no way of coping, so we keep on copping. No, I'm never spilling, but I'm always mopping up the mess. Feel like I'm running out of time, like I'm running out my mind. Let me slow down. I guess you think you know how it goes. I guess you think you know how it goes. And these tears fall like rain, and it appears that things always change. My greatest fears have all rearranged, and you wouldn't believe it, you wouldn't have.